had a chance to help build it.
Instead of moving into this home that we spent trillions of dollars for all our wants and not our needs. And something. Bleary-eyed seeds.
Candle!
No, we are not having candles. We will die with this. I've done that before. I had I used a light bulb though. I lit my blanket.
Quacker tweeted a parrot named Arnold. Mark Francis thought to himself, it was weird that a parrot had Twitter. Crouched in bed whilst playing Beethoven and eating raw carrots. Ned thought to himself, I need more dishwasher tablets. But the shop was closed, and so he ate a computer screen.
No way did he wake that?
It already fucking started without the twat.
Oh my god, it did. Mel, click pause, I'm gonna die.
How do I do it?
I don't know.
Alright, I did it.
I'm
gonna fart.
Oh Mel, you're wrong.
Lou.
Tweeted a computer screen. What?